Okay, here we have a test with the actual latest and greatest fan with the motor. That's the good motor and good bearings, and the good driver, all rigged up just to make sure that it's really quiet. Because I just want it to be extra sure, because it surprises me sometimes how when you listen to something in a different context, it actually seems kind of loud. So this is everything's all installed and it's on the bench. Now it is going to be even quieter in the real world because the covers have a layer of fiberglass that's going to absorb a lot of the sound energy. And also, when it is embedded in a wall, a lot of the sound energy is going to be escaping out that way to the exterior, because the fan is on the outside of the device, on the outside half of the thing. And you see the regenerators on the inside. So a lot of the sound energy that is coming into the room and ricocheting around and is now audible is actually going to be escaping to the outdoors. And you won't hear that on the inside of the house. And again, whatever does come inside is going to hit that layer of fiberglass on the inside of the cover first. And then a lot of it's going to get absorbed. Especially these high frequencies, they tend to get absorbed very well by the fiberglass. So anyway, you can hear it. It's very, very quiet. Okay, if I stand, if I go like this, now my head is about the same distance from the fan as the camera is from the fan. So I'm just talking at a very ordinary volume, kind of quiet actually, as I tend to, and there's not very much sound coming from the fan, clearly. Now this isn't exactly a decibel test, but the thing is, if you test it with an instrument, you get a number, yes, but how does that actually sound? That's actually kind of a difficult problem that I've encountered many times. Anyway, there's no way you can hear that in the video right now. How close do I have to go until you can hear it? When you do hear it, it's going to sound probably disproportionate.